We are pleased to show you 2021
Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.